Hi, this tutorial is about how I am doing my pocket attachment. So I have used printed fabrics to show you all. Of course, this is one of my samples you may have seen in my collection. So place two pieces face to face like I'm showing you. You can see it clearly, and I'm going to sew along the edge like this and do the overlock as well. So this is how it finished look, and this is inside. The face fabrics are inside. Of course I have two pockets. The wide side coming towards the bottom of the garment. Here's my front panel of the garment, and I'm going to leave one pocket aside and take one pocket, place like I'm showing you here. So this is front and this is back. So my pocket opening is 6 inches for this garment. Actually it depends on the size of the garment. So keep like I'm showing you here, the front to front like this, and keep the panel like this and pin it down. You have to stitch like a square, half square likewise. So if I flip it over, you just make like this. So about half an inch towards the garment and sew along side seam and finish it like this. So this is how it should look like. Now what I got to do is I need to make cut marks towards the corners. Open the seam very nicely and do a top stitch. I do normally. It looks giving a good look for your pocket, so I recommend you to do a top stitch like I'm showing you. So this is after top stitch done. It gives a good finish, and of course I did overlock that piece. And now what I'm going to do is flat the fabrics very well like this and do a stay stitches at the edge of the corners. Now attach in side seams like you do normal. um, yeah, so the now pockets have half an inch gap to attach the side seam, And of course, for the opening of the pocket, so my pockets, two pockets are done. So this is how it looks like. You can hand easily, and it should stay nice and flat. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. If you have anything to ask, uh, use the comment section. I'm happy to reply to you all. And of course, if you need to learn something regarding this construction, of course you can request anything. And also, if anybody knows better than doing this construction to attach pocket, let me know as well. Okay then, I'll see you in next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.